5:45 right now. We're heading to Corcovado National Park. It's right over there. All that jungle and forest that's Corcovado. And it's about a 30-minute boat ride. Anyways, see you when we get there.
I see there's one right there, and there's one over there.
Oh, it's bouncing. Guys, we just arrived at Corcovado National Park, and we've already seen 4 toucans.
These are reptiles that runs on the water surface.
How does the top come off?
This is somebody did it. Somebody opened it, left it there half open.
Oh, okay.
Yes, they cannot open it.
I was gonna say it's like
That's yes, that's really neat. It was somebody's leftover of cooking, and they are taking advantage of that. The hermits eat anything here, any fruit, any dead animal too. So here you will find a bunch of those when they are eating something, or if large crab upgrades to a bigger shell. So he's making a commotion. Now all the ones behind are switching into those, but it gets a mess at the end. They're not getting any better. I think it's a baby, right? It's carrying a baby.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
And all the scavengers ate everything, and then they put the bones here, on this area. That's a humpback whale. You can see the vertebrae, the ribs. Like 3 years ago. Twice a year, the humpback whale arrives to this area for breeding time. At this moment of the year, it's the beginning of the South American humpback whale migration. Sometimes we see it, and a few days ago we saw it on our way to Caño Island too. It's the second largest whale on Earth.
Oh, he's got like a
Waggle like a turkey red, very strong. One.
that's what we thought.
Now you're an extra.
3 of those are going here looking for fruits and insects. This might be even the same individuals we have been looking. They are traveling here in pairs. 3, even up to 6 sometimes, 7. Now they seem very quiet. Oh, he's eating young bucks. Like a good moment of the year to see these birds.
Why are you stepping in the mud?
There's more scarlet macaws flying right up there. They're going right into this tree right here. Oh, look at this, look at this, look at this. They're right there, Aya. They're circling around. They're going right into that tree. Oh, the other 2's left.
The national mammal of Costa Rica, it's one of those deer, the white-tailed deer. Many Canadians or what? It's in my backyard all the time.
Yeah.
White-tailed deer. Actually, in Costa Rica there are not many deer.
We're in Costa Rica, so it's gonna rain. And right now we're in Corcovado National Park. We're right in the middle of the rainforest, so it's gonna rain. And we knew it was coming at some point, just didn't know when. And now we know that it came now, right as we're gonna head to the waterfall. This is what hiking's all about, Dad.
Yeah. It's cool. Adventure.
Be careful, huh? Sometimes the lights are good news, but never here. Here.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
What happens if you get like poked by one?
Not venomous, but inclination, get my hands swollen.
Umbrella? You don't know nothing about the jungle. You look so silly there, all wet. The king of the jungle. Look at the croc there, the crocodile.
Oh,
The little one, Captain Hook. Shallow there. It's cold. If you get to be deep there, it's colder. He's warming up. Maybe the soil, the rock, still keep a little bit of warmth. So here I expect this a little guy. It's shallow. The big ones will be at the end of the river later of his life. He needs more space, more food. So for now he's safe there. It's more like a caiman, that's a crocodile. Caimans are here too. That's definitely a crocodile. Caiman should have more broad snout. That one is more pointy. This primary forest. This plant grows only on primary forest. The Aborigines, the indigenous, the locals of these areas, they learn to collect many of these leaves and build the roof of the shack because the water drains. You see the ridges, the roots. In nature, that's its purpose to drain. It's raining. So many Aboriginals build their rooftops out of these leaves.
Guys, we just crossed the river, and now we're walking to the waterfall. And a lot of you are probably thinking, won't this river have crocodiles in it? And yes, it does have a lot, but we're going to a place that doesn't have any, so hopefully we don't get pulled under. It's downpouring right now. We're in the middle of the rainforest. Everyone's got the raincoat except me on, because we need to cover our shoes, but I didn't want my raincoat because I just didn't, and just because this feels good.
Hi.
those guys are getting wet. Yeah.
Oh,
There we go.
we're right by a crocodile, Mom. What?
This is my neighborhood here. My neighborhood.
Yeah.
You know?
Neighborhood.
Walking through plants, walking through roots. We're almost there. After like almost 30 minutes, we're almost there. But no one's sweating because it's downpouring.
I'm not going in. I don't want to get wet. So before we go, let's take a quick look. Let's walk 2 more minutes to end this trail, and then we come back here. Okay?
Okay.
All right, sweet.
Go to the beginning of it. Look to the new woods. How thick they good.
You gonna swing on there? Oh.
If it's thick enough, yes.
Yeah.
Person can swing.
What do you think?
Me?
Yeah.
Doing that? Swinging? Maybe.
Tarzan swing.
It has the legs. Steel roots like the ends of Lord of the Rings. The wolf.
Oh yeah.
Walking pumps.
Cool.
The top of the trunk
has good palmito. You know palmito? Palm part. Oh, the part of the palm. It's edible. The top. This one, the walking palm, because there are many palms. Walking palm. Part, really good.
Alright, we gotta cross another river. The same river, but a different part of their river. Now we have to walk up here. Keep walking. And by the way, we're walking in our swimming shoes the whole time. Since we passed that little stream, we've been in our swim shoes and hurt your feet very, very bad.
Yesterday it had even more water. So really nice. It has water all the time of the year.
Oh, really? Slowpokes.
Look at all those mushrooms.
Smokies.
That's what the end of the trail here.
Oh, yeah.
That rock in the middle looks like a person. Look at his mouth and eyes. Looks like a woman to me. The song like rain. That's the recipe for life here. Everything is alive. Yeah, there's shrimp. 100 years ago. Oh, the park is like 50 years old. But before that, 100 years ago, people came here for gold. There is gold, especially in a place like this. Not at the gold in the mines, in the caves, but in the rivers. People used to come here and we were fanning, looking for gold in the rivers. Many, actually a lot. This got out of control. A lot of destruction too. So this is protected since 1975 now.
Another stream crossing. A lot of slippery stuff out here. Still the way back. But this is rainforest. The jungle has awoken. Alright, there's a waterfall right up ahead. And we're going to be jumping in it. At least I am. Dad, are you gonna go in? We're going in.
Alright. Do it.
Alright guys, we're going in the waterfall. We all went in the water. It was amazing. There was all
got
these.
to go in because of stupid dad.
Yeah. We just got in the waterfall and now we're going to head back, get back on the boats, and go back to Aguila De Osa.